If you need to request a refund from YouTube, follow these simple steps to ensure your request is processed correctly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your YouTube account using the credentials associated with your purchase. Make sure you are accessing the account that made the transaction. Step 2. Access purchase history. Navigate to the Purchases section. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon, selecting Purchases and Memberships, and then viewing your purchase history. Step 3. Select the transaction. Locate the specific transaction for which you want a refund. Click on it to view the details and options available for that purchase. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to request a refund. This may be labeled as Request a Refund or Report a Problem. Follow the prompts to submit your request, providing any necessary information about why you are seeking a refund. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, monitor your email for confirmation from YouTube regarding the status of your refund. It may take some time for them to process your request, so be patient. In conclusion, following these steps will help you navigate the refund process on YouTube effectively. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.